gotta say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love them. I love them. Goddamn, I love them. I love them.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is gonna be me vlogging my son's 5th birthday party. Before y'all guys see me do his Spider-Man birthday party, which I think it was his 3rd birthday party, not his 4th. Cause I don't think we did any. Yeah, we did the bounce house 4th birthday party. So 3rd birthday party we did Spider-Man theme. This is the 5th birthday party. This is the first time he's actually requested a birthday party. If you don't know, Kai is autistic. He is nonverbal, but he's been talking a lot lately, a lot. And it's the first time he told me he wants a SpongeBob birthday party, so I'm getting him a SpongeBob birthday party. So I'm just right now separating gifts between decorations. So as you can see, yeah, we have a lot of SpongeBob stuff going on. Over here is gifts. SpongeBob toothbrush, this tin lunchbox, this little toolbox, matching game, this. On his birthday, which was yesterday, we actually gave him one gift, and it was a SpongeBob pillow. So yeah. So then we're separating the rest that is going to be for the party. What's going in the bags and stuff. We got SpongeBob glasses. We got the lollipops. We got a family bingo, and I got a second one. Bought 2 on accident. So I guess when we do family bingo, whoever wins will get the extra one. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it the one away. We got little cups. This is Kai's. It lights up. And then down here we have the goodie bags. Bubbles, of course, stuff that goes in the goodie bags. Ornaments, that extra family bingo. These plates. What all came in this pack? Does this come with the backdrop? Oh wait, I'm gonna find out. This is Kai's too. Oh yeah, and this. And the those stickers. Yeah, I got a shirt in there. And they have SpongeBob tattoos. Yeah. Okay, so honestly, to take a lot of stress off of me, even though it is Thursday, like, it's gonna come by fast, and I feel like I am going to get stressed out by the amount of stuff that there needs to be done. Since I'm up right now, what I'm gonna do is put together all the goodie bags and just have them in this box. So I've been keeping that everything anyways. Have the goodie bags already done and out of the way, because I got so much stuff, I have to separate a lot of things and then get all of our gifts from Kai in the birthday bag. And yeah, the thing is, I don't think that all is gonna fit in the birthday bag at all. I should have bought 2. Well, after I bag that up, I'll know how many I'll know how many bags that I need for his gifts. Because we also have people that bought gifts. Not people, my auntie, she bought gifts off of my son's registry, and they actually get here before his birthday, so I'm gonna get some bags for her stuff too. Whew, let's do this. Okay, so I'm still filling these up. So let me try to remember where I got most of this stuff from. So I'm using this. It's called a Mega Mix Value Pack, which is coming with the frisbee, a spin top, a ruler, coloring pages, little toy. Comes like 48 pieces. Got this from Walmart. Coloring page. Yeah, I don't know how much it costs. I did not. I have to look back at the prices. I wish I could say I was almost done with this. This is only 4 bags. This isn't even. 4 bags at a time. SpongeBob glasses, also from Walmart. Come in packs of 4s. About 2 bags. Then the SpongeBob mini play packs. They come with 8 in a pack. I bought 2. And it comes with 8-page coloring book, 2 mini crowns, and 1 sticker. That's not all. Got these lollipops. Nobody can be picky because you don't know what you're gonna get. And then the pack of Krabby Patties. Candy and stuff first, and everything else on top. Do that with the next bag. Is that all? These are good set. I'll just make like a tattoo station. Okay. So I have 4 done. Now to So I got that done with these. They are packed. This is, remember I said I got the same in two games. This one's in a bag, so whoever wins bingo that day will get their own bingo. 2 bubble machines, bubbles, the record, the decorations, those, and then we have leftover candy and stuff that I'll display out. All of Kai's gifts actually did fit in this bag. It was big enough. Yeah, it's dope in there. I'm so excited. So it is the night before. Well, it's 12:18, so technically it's today at the birthday party. Look what we got. Let it focus. We got the goodie bags. We got the number 5. His seat has his name. Hang on, let's get closer with the decorations. The 2. And these things here. I just went ahead and decided to cut all the tattoos out so we don't have that chaos tomorrow. Please are done with the tattoos. So that over here by the fireplace where gifts are gonna be at. And we got the bingo over here, cupcakes in the fridge. I just gotta go pick up pizza tomorrow. He wants Krusty Krab pizza. I was thinking we do hamburgers and stuff, but he said he wants Krusty Krab pizza, so we gotta go pick up pizza and the rest of the food. And that's it. I got the bubble machines. Only one works, I need more batteries. Lay out our clothes too. Gonna get in this cake. Josiah. It's the day of the party. I already dressed. I just need to do my makeup and hair. But I had to fix some of my decorations because they freaking fell down. There's some strings missing in the middle, but that's what it is. Gifts are gonna go over here, and we got everybody's clothes laid out. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let's go get Kai and Micah and get his reaction. Let's go see birthday party. Go in the kitchen. Whoa.
I mean, what is is it? What is it? I remember, what is this?
Birthday party? And SpongeBob shirt? Yeah. You want SpongeBob back?
Yeah.
Let's go get one. You can open it?
How cute! Is this your surprise?
Yes, girl. You're finally going to get your name.
I'm gonna call you Honey.
Got Mike address, bro of birthday boy.
Wow.
We got Kai's dress. He's around here somewhere. Next, I gotta go grab their sister, get them dressed. I'm already dressed.
Okay, so throw that. One of the kids come near you.
What you got coming?
Wait, what?
Whoa!
Like that, look.
Come and look. What is it? What is that? Nice. He said, let me smell it.
That's what I do. When I used to buy hair, I would smell it. Look.
Look right here. Come. Not done. Yes. In pajamas? Whoa.
Scissors.
He's just. Yeah. Safety. Whoa. Matching again.
Oh, the glass? Yes.
Yeah, you already opened it, so I don't know what you're saying yeah for. Whoa!
Whoa.
More stickers. Whoa! Dude just. He just. SpongeBob toothbrush. And stickers, more stickers. That's all.
What was that?
Yeah.
What you called before that?
A 40 Patrick on a jellyfish.
Okay.
And then we got 10 SpongeBob. Happy birthday to you.
Baby boy.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Patrick.
Happy birthday, dear Carmen. Happy birthday to you. Yay! You did it! Yay! That's my end of the day thoughts. I'm tired. He had fun. He opened up everything. And then, like, he's just not getting back to everything. Like, he opened everything and kept on going. He had fun. A lot of people showed up. A lot of people showed out. Y'all really made me happy. Like I said, this is the first time my son has ever asked for a specific birthday party. And then we're celebrating a lot of things, you know, his accomplishments in therapy and how far he's come. And, yeah, I'm really happy. Yeah, so I appreciate everyone who came. He slept tired too. But yeah, you guys, they gonna sleep good tonight. But thank you for watching my video. I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.